Hey Warrior fans, it's Dorell Wright here.
And I'm Lieutenant Damon Covington with the Oakland Fire Department.
On December 10th, when we take on the Miami Heat, we will be hosting a toy drive for those in need. So help us and bring a new unwrapped toy for underprivileged child to the game to make their holidays brighter.
Volunteers from the Oakland Fire Department will be on hand to help collect your toys.
So get in the holiday spirit and donate a toy.
For more information, visit warriors.com and drightwayfoundation.org.